Two teens stuck in the foster system put in shackles even though they've done absolutely nothing wrong. CBS 2's Chris Tye is always investigating and first exposed the incident last night. Now the new action taken just today and the lack of answers from the Department of Children and Family Services.
He's 17, and on October 1st, a transport company arrived at the back bay of this Southside shelter to move him to Palatine. On orders from DCFS to treat this as a secure transport, they began to shackle the boy. Shelter staff had never seen it before, so they called DCFS to see if it was necessary. They said it was. It wasn't.
That's a profound civil rights violation. These children are not in the penal system. They're in the foster care system.
It happened to a second teenager later that same day. And not until CBS 2 called DCFS was any admission of wrongdoing made.
In 28 years, I have not heard of children being transported, whether it's in handcuffs or the reports that I got in shackles, including the legs, to a place.
Just today, the Cook County Public Guardian calling for an emergency order stopping the shackling of foster children and demanding to know how often it's happened. DCFS said no to an on-camera interview about what exactly secure transport of youth entails, but over the phone told us there are some guidelines, but it's not clear what the policies are, and there are gaps in that policy. We asked, can you provide us a handbook on those policies? They said, not at this time. State law says no child in a facility licensed by the Department of Children and Family Services shall be subjected to mechanical restraints. The department adding, the use of restraints in this case was totally unacceptable and against department policy. DCFS is investigating the incident and putting additional policies and procedures in place immediately to ensure youth are never restrained during transport unless it's clinically necessary. So what happens to departments when they break rules like this? Discipline can range anything from fines to jail time to putting that department in receivership. It is said to go before a judge next week. Live in the control room, Chris Tye, CBS 2 News.